What's up guys, Gameplay here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing the Chemical Guys tar removal. I do have a lot of tar buildup on my front bumper, so hopefully we're going to take care of that today. I'm just going to do a little quick review of it before this thing gets ceramic coated and paint corrected. Shout out to Josh, he's going to be taking care of that for me. His channel is down in the description. Definitely don't mind the Tesla charging in a carport with some chickens and a garden in the background. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Storm's approaching, so I gotta back up this bad boy so I can go ahead and put the beast into the covered carport. Don't want to get hail in the car. This bumper is disgusting. Getting this fixed up, gotta remove the tar before I get it paint corrected and ceramic coating. So I'm trying to remove this tar so it'll look its best. I'm gonna be putting this on my front bumper. As you can see, my car is just absolutely disgusting right now, and I've been trying to get it off, and they don't actually carry this in our local like Walmart or any stores. I actually just have to buy it online. But let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in the spray bottle, they say you want to do a 6-in-1 dilution. That's 6 ounces of water and 1 ounce of the solution. And I just put it in a spray bottle. Make sure you wash the area, and then you want to go ahead and spray it. Let it sit for about a minute or two, and then you want to go ahead and scrub it. And then once you're done, just give it a wipe off and clean it with some more water, and then it should be good to go. Just jumping in here real quick. This is what it looks like after it's completely dry. And like I said before, my bumper is really disgusting. But I did compare it to the last picture and what I've seen before, and the tar spots have completely disappeared. So following directions, this actually worked out pretty well. I was able to get all the tar off and make my bumper look amazing again. If you guys are enjoying the videos and want to see more like this, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.